welcome back to the channel. For everybody that's new to the channel, like, share, and subscribe. Y'all are not gonna want to miss this. I got a lot of stuff I'm gonna bring to y'all this year. Racing, builds, collabs, road racing, everything dealing with racing and car builds. That's what's going on this year, man. So if y'all want to stay tuned for that. Hey, let's get it. But yeah, man, finally got my car back from the shop, man. I just wanna, show y'all what's going on. I'm gonna try something a little different this year. I'm gonna be doing a lot more racing this year, and more, in front of the camera than behind it. So let's get to it. Now, I think the last time y'all seen this car was about September. Yeah, September, when I was down there at LaGrange. Dude named Al Green with a tuned E85 and drag pack. Well, he wasn't even on drag pack, he was on a damn Nitto. Nitto. 10-speed, whooped my ass, not one, not two, but 3 times consecutively down in the 8th. And I know what I had. And I accused him of spraying left and right, but he popped the hood and showed me he was being honest about it. So I felt some type of way, ain't gonna lie. I felt some type of way, man. Actually on the way back home, I was making a few phone calls, man. I just ain't finna deal with this shit. I ain't finna deal with it. We gotta put it in the shop. We gotta do something. So I did do something. Yeah, I did do something. It took about 3 to 4 months, but yeah, I did do something. Let's take a look. There we go, y'all. Hold on. Yeah, so this is my first boosted, well, outside of my ON3 Cobra. It's my first turbocharged car, man, and I ain't gonna lie, I heard a lot of bad things about ON3. I heard a lot of bad things. The fitment, the pipes breaking, just a whole bunch of bad stuff. But I voted against it, and I went on and made the purchase. Shout out to Terry at Beefcake Racing. Good dude, very honest. He'll help you any way he can. If you got a Coyote and you need any parts, Terry at Beefcake Racing, that's your guy. But yeah, man, it's just the base. It's the base kit. I'm not sure. I think it's 60 though. I'm not sure. It's got the intercoolant blow off valve down there. I painted that black. Well, I tried to get the sleeper approach. But yeah, everything went in with a breeze. Got a manual boost controller there. I had to upgrade the fuel system. The shop that did everything, Jim at DNG Racing, hell of a dude. He real good dude, actually, man. He helped me out with a lot of things. He recommended a lot of things. He didn't try to criticize what I had going on. He just, hey, well, I think you should do this. You can get away with this, but if you're looking for this long term, I figure you should do this. That's the type of guy he is. So if you got a Coyote, man, take it to him, hands down. It's got ID, I think they're 12 or either 1300s. I can't remember. I think it's ID 1300s. Sali triple fuel system, triple pump fuel system. The motor has boundary oil pump gears and sprocket. That was another thing that Jim had recommended to, increase longevity a little bit, even though anything still can happen. I just did it just to go ahead and be on the safe side. But yeah, man, it's a lot. It's a tight fit, but yeah, he managed to get everything in. He didn't have to cut, and then he didn't have to modify. And then, well, I think he had to do something to like the K-mem and whatnot. He had to add a spacer or something like that. But other than that, oh yeah, he did have me upgrade this. he didn't, the one that came with ON3, he didn't like the way it seated with the pipe and everything, so he had me put this on. And yeah, that's really it. Yeah, that's really it right now. I like it. The reason, well, I'm gonna say the reason I really chose supercharged, well, turbo over supercharger, man, is because I hear turbo is less stress on your crank. That's what they say. But I heard turbo can fuck up a lot more shit than, you know, supercharge and pro charge and all that. But I mean, man, it feels good for the amount of pound of boost that it's on. It feels pretty good. I really haven't got a time on it yet or a dyno number, so I really don't know what I'm working with. Yeah, the car is tuned by Lawn Racing. Shout out to them, by the way, man. It didn't no issues with tuning. I think it took like what, 1 or 2 revisions. Yeah, on the outside though. The car has a open edge pipe, by the way. Shoot, man, let me get everything situated and we're finna go for a few pulls. Some real shit though. Daily driving though, it can get pretty boring. Cause I ain't gonna lie, like I'm used to a supercharger, you know. That shit there. Turbo car kind of like build up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? But like, I mean, I don't know. I guess it just, you know, different preference, you know. You know, out the hole, man, it really ain't, you know, it really ain't doing too much in there, cause you know, I ain't got no 2-step. I don't have no converter and all that, but on the top side though, oh yeah. Man, did y'all just see that shit, man? Nope. Whew, that was a close call. That was a close call. But that's gonna conclude our video for today, man. Yeah, man, I'm twin turbo now. Be on the lookout. It's gonna be a lot more videos, a lot more racing and all that, man. So y'all stay tuned. We out.